Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about Safuu, okay? What is going on? What is going on with the price and what could or should you do now as a Safuu holder, okay guys? So to be honest, the price development, it does not look good at all, okay? To be honest, there's nothing positive that I can tell you about the development of the price. I mean, as you can see here at the beginning, like we had a peak in March at about 280 and the price right now, it's crazy. It's just like 51, like a little bit shy of 52 cents. So, I mean, it's almost, yeah, it's bad. It doesn't look good at all. So the question right now is, what can you do? So, to be honest, they don't really want you to keep, to keep your Safuu because, you know, there's gonna be SAFUUX, the world's first outer basing layer 1 blockchain. Okay, guys, so let me tell you about what you could do now. And as always, guys, no financial advice, but I can tell you what could be a good solution, what you could do now. Okay, guys, so let me show you. So there will be, let's say you have right now 100 Safuu token, okay? So, and the price is just dumping. And the question is, I mean, if you sell now, first of all, guys, the best advice ever, or the best advice I can give you in general is always take profits, okay? If you make a profit, take at least a little bit, okay? And once your profit, is so much that you have covered your initial investment, always try to get your initial investment back and also a little bit of the profit and let the rest just run, okay? Then you're at least on the safe side because you covered your initial investment plus a little bit of profit, and that's fine, okay? And you can keep your, the rest you can keep just running, for example, okay? So in general, yeah, not just in a project like this, in general, it's good. Take your initial and some profit and then you're safe, more or less, okay? So guys, now we have the situation, there's gonna be SAFUUX, this blockchain, okay? And as a Safuu holder, there will be a sacrifice event, guys, okay? And what does it mean? For example, there will be a sacrifice event, and why would it make sense? Let me show you why it would make sense. Imagine you're one of the first investors, the early investors of Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, like really layer 1 blockchains, okay? Let me show you what usually happens. Say you're an early investor. Look, the price was 0.025, okay? And then we had the spike up here, yeah, to like $1.20. So, for example, if you're an early investor, you made a nice profit here. Solana, let me show you Solana. So, early investor, what happens? Not much. Of course, the price, it started like at 0.66 and it went up. So you also made a nice profit, yeah? And then, for example, Ethereum, same here, the price was really low and then it went up. So you also made a nice profit. So let me show you guys. For example, if you change now, let's say right now you have 100 Safuu token. There will be the sacrifice event. So if you sacrifice on day one will be on, let me show you guys, there's the countdown. It's gonna be in 7 days and 3 hours, okay? So if you sacrifice on day 1, you will get 50% more, plus if you sacrifice your BNB or ETH or whatever, on the first day you will get 50% more, and as a Safuu holder, you will get 50% more, plus additional 24% more. That means 74% more. That means, let me show you guys, on day 1, if you change your Safuu, and there will also be additional 6% bonus. So as a Safuu holder, 50% October 20, okay? So that's where the first day of sacrifice event will be. So you will get a 50% bonus, plus 24, plus 6. That means you will get 80% more, guys, 80% more. That means if you have right now 100 Safuu token, you will get 180 SAFUUX tokens, okay? So, but I have to mention, they will be locked for, where does it show it? For 3 months, okay? Because it shows you here. This means your SAFUUX token will be voluntarily locked, staked for the 90-day forecasted testnet period until January, okay, guys? So anyway, I would say it does not make much sense if you're now not in a nice profit or even in a loss to sell it, okay? The price is really down. So at least wait. No financial advice as always, guys, but you could wait and you will get this APY. This will start to run 191,000 888 APY. That's really good also. And you will get 80% bonus, plus it will be staked with this APY for 3 months, okay? And then let's see what the price of SAFUUX token will be like. And I guess right now, to be honest, it doesn't make much sense to sell right now if you don't have a nice profit or even a loss. I would suggest, I mean, no financial advice again, that you just, I mean, sacrifice them on day one. You get 80% more, then they're gonna be locked up for 3 months with this high APY, as you can see here. And then let's see how the price will develop, because I can show you again, usually if you're an early investor in a layer 1 blockchain, you usually always make a profit here. Yeah? Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, yeah, there are always some price spikes. So as of right now, it would be maybe the best solution. Just sacrifice your tokens, lock them up, you will get the high APY, and then wait for the price explosion that will hopefully happen as usually it happens like this. I mean, I showed you all the other layer 1 blockchains, usually they go up, okay guys? So as of right now, this could be the game plan that I would suggest, guys, okay? So yeah, that's the situation right now. So guys, if you like this video, please, once again guys, no financial advice, I'm just here to show you those opportunities, projects, and give you some ideas, but I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before you make a decision or you invest in any of those projects, okay guys? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.